and then we have CEO 11 RR. So we are interacting after few days sitting together. We have CEO 11 RR, then 17 RR CEO Maya, couple of Mayas. Vivek Saab is my friend. So I was probationer at Bakshinagar. I started my career from Bakshinagar. Thereafter we had interaction and then we started. So for the last about 20 years we are in touch. And at that time, more important was print media. So 20 years back, if you look at, print media had great relevance, and everybody was dependent upon it, which will have again more relevance in future also, because whatever is in digital media will vanish one day, but this is something which will stay. So the way Vivek Saab has explained certain things, we as part of the system, part of the government machinery, we never generally think of that problem. You guys have huge competition. If report is missed, then you are screwed. For us, if somebody reports wrong, we take vendetta and try to find opportunity that to fix the person, to teach the lesson. Everybody has that tendency. But we never understand your problem. The purpose of organizing this event is more relevant if you media persons tell your problems so that we understand. Then we also tell our requirement. And after that we come to some logical conclusion how to resolve the issues and how to work for the nation. So working for the nation essentially requires contribution from every corner. To spoil something, to give wrong reporting is quite easier, but the damages are huge and multiplied effects are there. Media persons have huge challenges. You are most insecure person. You are going to every nook and corner in the country without any protection. You enter into violent situations, then if you ask some harsh question, then you are also screwed. The people turn against you. So might have seen many reporting, we have seen the media persons are heckled by general public. You don't have any army behind you. So you are one-man army. Despite that you are working, so we always appreciate your contributions. Media is no doubt a pillar of democracy. For that matter, you need to bring professionalism. To become media person by picking up one mobile phone or camera doesn't serve the purpose. In your field, you need to be specialist. You should be well equipped with data, correlation. Then you can draw some conclusion that the people with interest would love to see your channel. Thousands of the channels will come. That hardly matters. Thousands of the doctors will come. You will prefer to go to the specialist only. That central dogma has to be adopted. So, media persons, codes of ethics and everything, whatever is there, needs to be understood. होता क्या है समाज में, चाहिए क्या, सभी ने समाज के लिए काम करना है. Vis-a-vis you have to strike the balance कि आपने earning भी करनी है. So earning is more important because you have to run your kitchen also. In that context, we need to work in unison and provide an environment where youngsters also prefer to join. In our country, a very bad situation has come up because everybody blames that politicians are bad people. So one should not join the politics. School, colleges, mass communication seek that. So don't restrict yourself to the extent that a particular news item will give you 5,000 per month and that's the end of the story. No. You should stay in demand and every big house will catch you. तो किश्तवाड़ के अंदर 5-6 लड़कों में से देखेंगे बेस्ट कौन है, they will approach you because their demand is right reporting, well articulated, correlated with facts, and acceptability in the public of that report is there, then you are picked. So I would request, we never blame you, we never take any revenge against you. You need to improve your quality of reporting, and ultimately benefit will go to you. Your personality will improve, your professional ethics will improve, and money will also come. So whole exercise we conducted today is just to sensitize. We will have series of conferences in future also. I talked to Deputy Commissioner, what we did yesterday, that there is print media, then there is electronic media, contemporary, then we have web channels. And a time will come, all the web channels will take over any other setup. So you should also report to us and provide a list of web channels. We are not going to restrict web channel, but we should have a data. We asked IB and CID also yesterday that how many web channels are in the district. We will guide them, please, this is the mechanism to get registered. Once a person is registered, then the behavior is controlled. So web channels essentially will be brought under some mechanism to have accountability. I'll narrate one situation. I was conducting one operation in downtown Srinagar. Operation started at first fire opened at 4:30. Then media came close around 6:30 because first light. Few guys started live reporting. Till that time we dropped the net, closed the services. 33 lakh people had watched in Kashmir Valley. That was reported on that. So in 1 hour we had at the spot gathering of 50,000 people to start stone pelting upon us. So live reporting is going to be challenged. So what I mean to say, live reporting has to be done ethically. If some recovery is there, some incident is, road accident is, and you start live reporting, and most of the people do, I think. लाइव रिपोर्टिंग के पीछे जो आप बोलते हो, पीछे एक तो लाइव रिपोर्टिंग तो चलो लोग ऑब्जर्व कर लेंगे सीन क्या चल रहा है, उसके पीछे जो मसाला लगाते हो, that is such a dangerous thing. If it is not done ethically, that damages. If you report somewhere कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ, बोला जी इसका कोरिलेशन अगर हम देखें तो 2012 में सलाल डैम के पास भी हुआ था, उसमें एचएम ने किया था प्लांट, फिर उसके पीछे उसने किया था. But let the people judge. If you are live reporting, let people judge a scene, they will draw their opinion. If you correlate it badly, then it's going to cause a lot of damages, and those damages cannot be recouped. So my request, please, while going for live reporting, you need to draw a central line and adopt certain ethics. We have today DYSP CID also here. He will be giving presentation on media ethics and code for them. So other officers will also speak. I am personally grateful to Vivek Sharma sahab to have come all the way from Jammu and made us realize certain things. What problem their houses are facing. Competition, which may not be a healthy competition, but it is there. Then insecurity to the media persons on ground. Then there are also financial aspects. So these things generally we don't realize. We say he's a media person, his reporting is not good. But we need to think beyond that. We have to put ourselves in your shoe. And likewise you have to put yourself in our condition. So that we understand difficulties, challenges, and the requirement of the nation. So with this, I am personally grateful to Vivek Saab and CO 52 Battalion to have made us to come together on this stage, and all the officers who have spared their valuable time. So next session will be carried as per the schedule. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.